Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Jai Hind dosto. So today is going to be a little different. Today I'm going to make my this small video about earphones, AirPods. Little different way. I am just going to use a different language here. Today I'm going to use English language for the audience here, for the people who really am comfortable with English language and they really want me to prepare some videos in the different language as well. So this video goes for them. So today's video I'm talking about few good and budgeted and a very nice headphones or earpods or AirPods, whatever you call it as in the market, which are available for your day-to-day listening to the music, attending your calls, and they are pretty much in your budget. So directly let's go to my video and check it out what are those options available. So friends, like I said, I have some good headphones or AirPods in my bucket today. Let's go through them one by one. So first I'll show you, this is Eyeball. This is from Eyeball. Model is sporty and this is quite economical, quite good and quite good for purpose, I would say so. The second one which comes here is the Portronics Harmonix. Model is 200. This is also very you can say very much good for purpose. It has a very good sound and it is very good. I mean, with the budget wise, it justifies. Third one which comes as Boat TWS True Wireless Stereo 171. This is the model 171. So next in my video I'll cover this Boat. Again, this is little premium from the previous one 171. This is little advanced. This is TWS from Boat 441 model. Last but not the least, my favorite, this is Apple AirPod Generation 2. So this is again one of the premium headphone available. It has plenty of features. It has a good you can say connectivity environment with the Apple phones or maybe with the Android phones. You can also connect it. And this is little premium headphone or maybe AirPod I am going to show you in my video. So first thing first, here I am just checking it out. This is Eyeball Sporty. Sporty is the model. This is a very economical, very you can say budget friendly headphones. Here you can see that volume rockers are there for volume increase and volume down. Middle is the button to connect and disconnect and to even power on and power off this device. Here you can see you can connect it to your multiple Bluetooth devices. It can connect to the multiple devices at one point of time. And this is very budget friendly. Right now on I can see on Amazon it costs you around 500 rupees or within even 500 rupees, which is a very good option. It's a magnetic wireless headset and it gives a very good quality of a music. If you really want to hear to the music on regular basis, on day-to-day basis, while you are playing, you are outside doing some sport, you can opt these headset nicely and without any hesitation. So another one in the list which I have is the Portronics Harmonix 200. These are again little premium compared to Eyeball. They are a little expensive, I would say so. Again, if you see here, you have a volume rockers. I mean volume to increase volume, to decrease volume, to connect it to mobile. It can also connect to the multiple devices. If I talk about the battery backup or maybe the talk time of these earphones, you can easily go up to or beyond even a day of a backup. I mean, if you are listening to the music for at least 8 hours or even more, you can just have it for at least you can say for a complete 24 hours, and a standby time, if I consider it as, it's more than 2 days. This is what I have tested myself. So it's more than 2 days. They look nice, they look premium, and if you see over here, the build quality is quite nice from Portronics, and these are very justified to the quality. I hear enhanced bass from the music. If you are a music lover and you really listen to the music and you want a very high sound output or a very clear bass coming out of that song, so these are the ones best suited for you. If I talk about the price of these headsets as of now, online you can get them under 2000 rupees. I think it's of between 1700 to 1900 rupees are available online, so you can opt for it. So now we discuss about a little detail about Boat. Boat is itself a very known brand, very good brand for the sound output, for the speakers. They are good, they are evolving, and they deliver really good output as a sound, a very refreshed and a very refined sound output here in these AirDops. We call them AirDops. So this is AirDop 171 from Portronics. If I just show you, this is the charging point for this particular case. USB, micro USB. Here you need micro USB cable to charge this particular headphone. And if I just show you and I open this box, you can see over here very nicely the AirDops are placed over here. They are magnetic. If I just show you, so this is the charging point here. You can see, let me just show you, this is the charging point within this box. Yes, and you can simply place them over here. You can see the light over here that they are disconnected. Now they are on to that, and they shows that they are now charging, turn to green, which means that they are fully charged. So these are AirDops 171 from Boat, and it costs you nearly 1700 bucks, which is not very much for such a nice headphones, for such a nice piece, you can say piece of headphones, and they really worth their value. I mean, very nice sound output here. Battery backup, if I talk about, it gives you 8 hours of backup here. If you just continuously listen to the music over these AirDops, and then you can continuously listen to the music for 8 hours. Standby, if I talk about, nearly 2 days is a standby time. And if I talk about the connectivity, it can also connect to the multiple Bluetooth devices at one time. So you can place the call from one mobile, or if you connect it to the another one, you can pick the call from the another mobile having this AirDops connected. So let's talk about the second one. Second one is Boat. Again, it's a Boat company, and it's a different model. You can see over here by the look and feel, it's advanced one. They are 4-for-1. True wireless stereo headphones from Boat. We call them AirDops again, and they are a little elite from their previous model 171. And feature wise, it's all same. Battery wise, it also gives a battery, running battery, or you can say a usable battery. If you are running the music for 8 hours, it can go up to 8 to 10 hours, and standby time will be 2 days. So if we talk about that, what is the charging time for these AirDops? So this is the charging case. So you need to charge the case, and then if you place the AirDops within within this case, they'll keep on charging. So that's of no issues. It also supports micro USB for connecting the charger. So which is a very good thing, that we usually get micro USB connector cable at home very easily and very nicely. So these are the headphones I would suggest, or I would recommend, and available in little higher price. You can get them online as of now $24.99, which means nearly 2500 online. So really a good option. You can opt for it. So last but not the least, here we have the most premium AirPods, which is Apple AirPods. These AirPods are Apple Generation 2. It comes with the charging, you can say, case. You can see here these AirPods are easily connected to the Apple environment, and to any Bluetooth device. You can say so that it can connect to any Bluetooth device. Easy to use, enhance music output. I would say that it has echo cancellation if you are attending your office calls, or if you are talking to some of your friends outside somewhere. So you would not hear the sound of your surroundings. I mean, any sparrow or any bird is singing around you. So that sound will not go to your another side of your phone, that whosoever is listening to you. So they are quite premium, and they justify the worth of whatever they are charged for. Apple is charging as of now, the cost for these AirPods are nearly 12,000 rupees online, and I believe that there are more discounts ongoing on this AirPods nowadays, as we have next generation AirPods available. So I still find this as a best choice, and I see that it does multiple functions. It comes with a very refined chip and a very enhanced stereo output, which makes this device totally standing out of the premium queue. So yes, this is for someone who really want the quality plus the premium thing. Apple AirPods are the best for these users. So friends, I hope you like my content. I hope that I provided you enough information about these available budgeted headphones or AirPods. And you will be able to make your choices very nicely and very clearly, that what exactly you want and in what budget you really want your headphone, and the specification about these headphones all are good. Every headphone which I just showed to you, they are available, they are upmarket, they have good features, so you can make any one of these headphones as your daily driver, or daily you can use those headphones. So please let me know how did you like my video. This is little different, little new. Please mention your comments in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel, and please share it further with your friends, and don't forget to press the bell icon button. For now, take care of yourself.